I'm here at Dreams Cap Cana for a quick site. I had been here a few years ago when it was a Margaritaville, and I wanted to come back because I remember loving the property then. So I'm happy it's converted to a Dreams. The rooms look amazing. So this is a 1-bedroom master ocean view, and it's really pretty. Look how fresh, modern. I mean, it looks so good. Look at this beautiful bathroom area with the tile. This is a great room category. And they do have some adult only villas here, which is nice for those that want the adult only. You're gonna have a lot of privacy in the villas. So let me go outside because this is a really great vantage point to see the whole property from here. I'm on the 5th floor. We've got a nice big balcony here. And let me come over. These right here are the adult only villas. And all through there is a lazy river. So this is really nice. You have your own private area if you are adults. That tower is also a part of Dreams Cap Cana. But here's a great view of the property. You have swim outs. This lawn area can hold easily 100 people for a reception. Wedding reception or corporate event, probably more. I would say 150 here if it's set up properly. And then here are the pools. There's some restaurants scattered, and also behind the resort you have this whole area with a sports bar. Look at the beautiful beach. You can see the water. You can see how expansive the beach is back there. And then right here where this pool is, this wooden deck area can be used for a wedding reception. Can hold 80 people, or you can do a cocktail there. They'll put the DJ where the concrete is, right in the middle there. So that's a great wedding venue. And I'm gonna go see the Rooftop terrace, which is very popular here for any sort of group, whether it's a corporate group or wedding group. So again, this is Dreams Cap Cana, a great view of the property.